हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू।
Start. Heard Shri, Kshitij, Shailendra, Learned Counsel for the Revisionists, and Shri Vijay Prakash, Learned Counsel for the contesting opposite party number 1, full stop para. The instant revision is directed against the order dated 29/5/2019 passed by the additional civil judge in bracket senior division bracket out court number 8 Ghaziabad, whereby an impediment application filed by the revisionist being paper 22C has been rejected full stop. This application was filed in original suit number 1172 of 2018 preferred by the opposite party number 1 seeking a declaration in his favor on the basis of adverse possession over a plot of land situated in a cooperative housing society arraying the Nagar Nigam Ghaziabad and Messrs Jagriti Cooperative Housing Society Limited as defendants full stop para. The revisionists who claim to be members of the cooperative housing society, and since it was their case that the society was not properly contesting the suit, filed an application for their impediment claiming that the land in suit is in fact a park wherein the residents of the cooperative society have an interest full stop para. It is contended that the application for impediment has been wrongly and illegally rejected on the ground that in the facts and circumstances of the case it was barred by res judicata full stop para. Assailing the impugned order, the contention of learned counsel for the revisionists is that the plea of res judicata is not applicable to an impediment application full stop. The provisions of order first rule 8 in bracket 6 bracket out CPC have also been wrongly invoked by the court below for rejecting the impediment application full stop para. Elaborating further, it has been stated that an earlier suit number 755 of 1993 was filed in representative capacity by and on behalf of the residents and members of Messrs Jagriti Cooperative Housing Society full stop. The notices were ordered to be issued to all interested persons as provided under order first rule 8 in bracket 2 bracket out CPC by publication full stop para. It is vehemently contended that this requirement was not fulfilled as is established from a perusal of the record of the said suit full stop. No publication was in fact made nor the court recorded sufficiency of service full stop. The decree therefore that was passed in the said suit was void full stop para. It is next contended that in any case the parties in the suit were different from the applicants and therefore also the principles of res judicata could not have been invoked full stop para. As regards the instant suit which is based on a plea of adverse possession, it has been submitted that adverse possession is a defense and not a plea of offense full stop para. Counsel appearing for the caveator opposite party has supported the impugned order and has also placed reliance on case law that shall be referred to at appropriate places full stop para. I have considered the submissions made by learned counsel for the parties and perused the record full stop para. From the submissions made and upon a perusal of the record, it transpires that earlier a suit number 755 full stop over.
तो फ्रेंड्स, ये हो गया है आपका सिविल डिक्टेशन, ठीक है। अब इसके बाद क्रिमिनल शुरू करेंगे। थोड़ी तबीयत डैमेज है इसलिए डिक्टेशन में इरेगुलरिटी हो रही है, पर ट्राई करेंगे कि डिक्टेशंस आपको मिले। 26 तारीख को शायद पेपर है ना, तो थोड़ा रेस्ट कर लीजिए, फिर लेते हैं इस क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन। और इसमें नाम वगैरह कुछ क्षितिज आया था ना, क्षितिज को SH हाफ कर दीजिए और J बना दीजिए, ठीक है। तो क्षितिज जैसे बोलते हैं, बस स्पेलिंग जानते रहिए कि के से शुरू होती है, क्षितिज होती है वो ना, क्षितिज। और उसमें SH हाफ कर दीजिए, शिट हो जाएगा, और J कर दीजिए, क्षितिज हो जाएगा। ज़रूरी वॉवल्स लगा लीजिएगा अपने हिसाब से बिफोर में, ई वी की जो भी है, तो हो जाएगा मेंटेन। चलिए तैयार हो जाइए, शुरू करने वाले हैं डिक्टेशन 10 सेकेंड में। Start. The present revision is moved on behalf of the accused applicants involved in case crime number 287 of 2017 under section 376D Indian Penal Code 1860 and section 7 by 8 of Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 in bracket hereinafter, which shall be referred as POCSO in short bracket out. Police Station PGI District Lucknow full stop. The revision is directed against the order of Additional Sessions Judge / Special Judge POCSO Act Lucknow dated 22/7/2019 made Annexure 1 to this revision full stop para. Heard, Learned Counsel for the Revisionists, Learned Additional Government Advocate for the State on the point of admission of the revision full stop. Learned AGA termed the order impugned in this revision in nature interlocutory order full stop. He further argued since revision is moved under section 397/401 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, therefore there is a bar as to the admissibility contained under subsection in bracket 2 bracket out of section 397 CRPC full stop para. For easy reference, section 397 in bracket 2 bracket out is quoted below colon para. Second, the powers of revision conferred by subsection in bracket 1 shall not be exercised in relation to any interlocutory order passed in any appeal, inquiry, trial or other proceedings full stop. Para. Learned AGA argued that in view of the aforesaid clause in bracket 2 of section 397 CRPC, there is a clear bar on the admissibility of the revision being moved against an interlocutory order, hence must be dismissed at the very stage of admission full stop para. Learned Counsel for the Revisionists, despite the contention of Learned AGA as to the bar on admissibility of revision, without addressing the issue, emphasized on the point that the impugned order is passed by the special court in utter violation of the law, misconstruing the provisions of section 38 of the POCSO Act, which occasioned a serious illegality causing grave injustice to the accused revisionist. Hence the revision lies and impugned order is liable to be interfered exercising power of revision by the court full stop para. In the light of arguments examined the impugned order along with the other materials placed on record, whether it is passed misconstruing the provisions of section 38 of the POCSO Act read with the relevant provision of Indian Evidence Act 1872 applicable to recording of the statement of a victim of sexual offences during trial full stop para. Before discussing the arguments raised by Learned Counsel for the Revisionists, it would be helpful in judging the legality of the order to look into the facts of the incident as well as proceeding of the trial before special court full stop para. The first information report briefly stating discloses
that the victim 5 years old girl child was being sexually abused in the premises of her school, Allen House Public School, Vrindavan Yojana, Lucknow. Full stop. She, in the age of 4 years, got admission in the said school. Full stop. On 10/5/2017, the informant lodged first information report when she, in bracket, the mother bracket out, noticed that intermittently, full stop, over.
तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया है डिक्टेशन 120 प्लस की स्पीड में. ठीक है, जो भी कमेंट्स हो बताइएगा कमेंट सेक्शन में. तो चलिए मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट डिक्टेशन में. ठीक है.